What happens when you derive mega components from the mighty Panigale V4 for an adventure tourer? It might sound crazy, but this is what a perfect recipe of superbike for India looks like.
What?
The bike maker from Bologna, Italy, has borrowed its track machine's mechanisms to create the fierce avatar of Multistrada V4. The Multistrada V4 RS. This exclusive version of Multi is far more serious than the Multistrada Pikes Peak. Ducati has given the V4 RS a new heart. Unlike all other versions of the Multi, propelled by the Gran-turismo V4 engine, the V4 RS is powered by the Desmosedici Stradale. The 1103cc mill producing 180 bhp of power at 12,250 RPM and 118 Nm of torque. That's 11 bhp higher and 7 Nm lower than the Gran-turismo V4. Mounted with SMO Evo-SBK billet aluminum dry clutch, the component ensures a smoother ride when braking and shifting. It gives a distinctive sound that can make you feel eargasm. To anchor this much of power, Ducati has provided the best in business, radially mounted Brembo Stylema monoblocks, with 4-piston 2-pad calipers, fastened with semi-floating 330mm dual discs at the front and a 265mm disc with Brembo 2-piston floating caliper at rear. It comes with the top-of-the-line Ohlins, a 48mm USD fork with fully electronic adjustment for compression and rebound damping at front, and a TTX36 Mono-shock with fully electronic adjustment for compression and rebound damping at rear. These suspensions provide confidence around track and make you feel comfortable when you are doing long hauls. All these components make it a perfect track monster, but without a diet plan, it can't be as agile and flickable as it should be. Therefore, Ducati planned its dieting.
You on drugs?
Which no other Multistrada ever done. That's why it's 15 kg lighter than the standard Multistrada. This much of weight come off by using the titanium rear subframe instead of aluminum, and the Marchesini forged aluminum wheels, which drops 2.7 kg weight. It gets carbon fiber components such as the front fender, handguards, heat shield, and the front beak. For more weight saving, the RS offered with a smaller battery pack. Ducati Multistrada V4 RS equipped with 4 riding modes: road, sport, urban, and touring. It also includes 4 engine power modes like full, high, medium, and low. These modes ensures you'll get the best out of it according to the circumstances. It also gets engine braking, traction control, wheelie control, hill hold control, launch control, and a bi-directional quick shifter to assist your skill set. To enhance your touring experience, it gets front and rear radar system for adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection. The Multistrada V4 RS gets all LED lights, 6.5-inch TFT color display with Ducati Connect and full map navigation system. It rides on 17-inch Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 Corsa tires. On the front we have 120/70 section and a 190/55 section tire at rear. While the Multistrada V4 RS isn't a limited edition model, Ducati says it is a numbered edition, with each bike featuring a numbered plaque on the triple clamp. The Multistrada V4 RS is available globally, and when it will be available in India, we can expect it to carry a heftier price tag than the Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak, which is Rs 31.48 lakh ex-showroom. So, what do you think? All these superbike components in an ADV manner make sense for Indian conditions? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on wheels.